How to make Apple Watch battery last longer. 1. Enable low power mode. This limits features like always-on display and background heart rate monitoring to significantly extend life. 2. Turn off always-on display. On supported Apple Watch models, this feature consumes significant power over time. 3. Disable Wake on wrist raise. Go to Settings, General, Wake Screen, and toggle off Wake Screen on wrist raise to prevent the Apple Watch screen from lighting up unnecessarily. 4. Manage background app refresh. Turn off background app refresh for non-essential apps in Settings, General, Background app refresh on Apple Watch. 5. Reduce screen brightness. Lower the brightness in Settings, Display, and Brightness. 6. Keep Bluetooth on iPhone. Keep Bluetooth enabled on your paired iPhone for more efficient communication between devices. 7. Use Theater Mode. Activating Theater Mode, Masks icon in Control Center, keeps the screen dark until you tap it, which prevents accidental wake-ups.